Hey, what's up everyone? This is Eddie from Full Hacker, and today I want to bring you a teaser of the new video that I'm working on to show you how I'm able to use the ATMegaZero again. And I'm using the ATMegaZero with a Pimaroni hat that I got so that way I can have a few buttons so I can show you this demo. But the idea is that behind me, I have the Elgato key light, and with this board now, I'm able to control the lights so I can turn them on and off without having to use the app. And I'll show you the video after this, but look, if I press any of this button, you're gonna see the light behind me turning on and off. I can do the other one too. I can do both, and I can do that. I can also do combinations, so I can make the light brightness by pressing this button and this button. So I'm gonna press them together and hold them. And you're gonna see how the light behind me is gonna increase in brightness little by little. So it has an incremental of 10, and you see how it's doing it. And once you go through the whole cycle, then it goes off. So this is the Elgato Key Light Air, and I have two of them for my videos. And it comes with an app for the iPhone and iPad or even Android that allows you to control the lights easily from this app. So if I tap here, it's gonna turn on both of the lights. And if I tap it again here, it will turn it off, or I can turn individual. So like this is on, this is off. And I can also control the brightness or the temperature. But what I want to show you now is that in order to use this light, you have to have the app. There's no way to turn it on just by itself. So one thing that I wanted to do is using the ATMegaZero ESP32-S2. How can I get access to this API and be able to control this light using my board? And that's exactly what I did. So let me show you. So this is it. And I mean the ATMegaZero is inside there. And then I'm using the unicorn hat mini from Pimaroni just because I needed access to some push buttons. So you will see now that if I press the A, it's gonna turn on that one. If I press B, it's gonna turn on this one, and I can turn them off. And then this one. And the other thing you can see here is when I turn it on, it shows up there, off, on, off. I can also control the brightness by pressing two buttons. So I'm gonna press A for this one, but also the X so I can control the brightness up and down. Look. So by holding them together, you're gonna see how the brightness moves by itself, but this is getting brighter and this is moving. Same I can do for the other lights. So pressing B and the X and holding them. Notice how the app also updates. So stay tuned because I'm gonna make a tutorial for CircuitPython that is gonna show you how to control those lights with the ATMegaZero and also with the Raspberry Pi. Let me show you how I did this in the next video, so stay tuned.